How to upload position papers. Navigate to SRMUN.org/uploads to access the position paper upload portal. Before uploading your position paper, please make sure that your position paper is following the correct position paper guidelines listed on the SRMUN website. Only one position paper should be uploaded for each committee in which a member state is represented. If two delegates are representing the same member state in a committee, they should work together to only submit one joint position paper. Step 1 is to fill in the information in the form below. Include your name and email address, select the college or university you are representing, and your member state. Make sure you select the correct committee as well. Hit Continue to go to Step 2 and confirm the information. If there is an error, the form will not allow you to continue to Step 2. If the information you entered is correct, continue to Step 3. In Step 3, select your position paper file in the correct PDF or Microsoft Word format. Choose your file and select Upload File to attach your position paper. In Step 4, you can click on View My Position Paper to make sure you are uploading the correct file. If there is an error or your file does not appear correctly, click on Back Re-upload My Position Paper. If you are satisfied with the correct file that is uploaded, click the button below to finalize your position paper. You will receive a confirmation email soon after your submission. Remember to check your spam or junk mail if you do not receive it in your inbox. Please save that email for your records. Position papers will be viewable online to registered schools after the submission deadline has passed. Position papers received before the deadline will be graded by SRMUN staff. All other papers will be graded and marked as late. If you are ready to upload another position paper for the same member state, you can do so now by clicking on Upload Another Position Paper for your member state. If you experience any problems at any time, please contact admin@srmun.org. See you at SRMUN.